Hello guys, good morning everyone. Good morning everybody. Chalo, let's get started for today's topic. Let me share my screen. Good morning all the members in the house. Chalo, this time we saved a few minutes. I logged in a few minutes early. Chalo, let's start guys. Good morning. Okay, so we are running live as well and we are connected here. And yes, the members are available. Let's straight away start with the topic. So guys, as usual, we will be starting with day review followed by day planning and then the other activities. So those members who are coming regularly, so you already have the things to be done for day review. So let's start with it. So first of all, open your OneNote. Open your OneNote, go to yesterday page. Let's do that. Everybody, please continue along together. Open your yesterday's page and correct the results here. Means whatever work is completed, move that into the completed section. Ideally, this should happen yesterday itself, right? So when you are working on the task, you move it into the done section. And if something is not there, it will be in your in progress. So basically, this first step should happen during the day itself yesterday. But anyways, please complete it right now if you did not update. Whatever task you completed, you move that into the done section. Remaining things you can keep as it is. That is the first step. Okay. Done tasks in done section. Fine. Guys, second thing now. Scroll to the bottom and we have written all these questions. If this is already answered because of yesterday, you can erase all those answers and have the questions fresh. And let's start answering it one by one for today. Okay. Everybody, just count it. How many tasks you planned yesterday? How many you have completed? Like within 5-6 minutes itself, work will be done if you habituate to all this. Quickly, guys, go ahead. Plan how many tasks you completed, how many tasks you done. Planned versus completed. Once it is done, give a quick thumbs up so we will know that we are together and then we can continue further. Okay. Others also please do complete and give a quick confirmation so we will go further. Log in from laptops and right from the minute one we want to take actions since we are targeting to finish this by 9. Chalo guys, on YouTube also please complete it and give a confirmation if you're done till this point. Okay. How many tasks is planned? How much is completed? Fine. Let's continue with the next question, guys. What did you do right yesterday? Okay. So take a minute to think what quality did you execute yesterday, which was result oriented, you overcame some challenge. What is your good behavior, your strength of yesterday? Okay. So just put on that. Okay. We see confirmations on YouTube also. Very good. Please continue, guys. Strengths of yesterday. And guys, if you are not able to find your strengths, means your mindset perspective has not yet developed. Okay, everybody has good qualities, bad qualities. You have to develop a perspective that you can see your good qualities because that will help you to further grow. So it's a perspective, it's not yet developed if you're not able to find your good strengths. So you have to develop those skills. Fine, let's continue further. If you're not able to complete or if there is some area of improvement, what is that? Can you write it down as well? Area of improvement. And guys, join sharp at 8:30. Today, in fact, I joined a few minutes early because of this live streaming of YouTube and other things. So we were able to start sharp at 8:30. Okay, so please do the same from tomorrow. Set up a mobile reminder, maybe 8:25, it should just ring an alarm and you just log in there. Fine. So chalo, this is done. And then ask a question. How are you planning to overcome this problem today? Some idea should be there. Okay. Means without ideas, problems in life will not be solved. If you're not trying to solve it, it will always be there. So write down some thoughts. What can you do to overcome this challenge today? Maybe one thought is also good enough. How can you solve this problem today? Like everybody's life is filled with problems, and those who solve it, they start living a better life. That's what it is. And problems will always be there. So problem solver attitude has to be developed. Life is not going to get easy. We have to get more stronger. That is the basic perspective. So the more you upgrade, become strong, become capable, problems will start becoming small for you, right? So maybe someday driving a bicycle might be a big problem. Driving a bike might be a big problem for you in the beginning times. But now it is very small. What happened? You grew as a person and then it is taken care of, right? That happens for everything of your life. Fine. Okay, let's continue with the next thing, guys. So if you're done with the day review, please mark a poll. Then we will move to the next area. Poll. Are you done with day review? Okay. Yes. Or still it's happening. Please mark it here. And guys on YouTube also, please mark this. Are you done with your review? Yes or not yet? Chalo, 2 members are here. 3. Everybody please speed up, speed up. Complete the 5 questions. It's just counting and trying to do some analysis. Okay, what major problem, what major solution? Okay, 7 members completed on Meet and roughly 2 of 3 on YouTube. Chalo guys, faster, faster. It's 8:38. Others also please complete it. And once it is done, please mark a poll. Day review, very important. For majority of the people, life will just keep moving on and they will not even realize what is going on. It just passed by. Time is passed by. Okay. But if you review it, your life will be in your control. What you're doing, what you're not doing, and you will take your life towards the destination. You will not just leave it random. Either udhar dhakke kha rahi hai. So that's important. So this review planning will keep you on track towards a good life. It's up to you what you want to review and what you want to plan, right? But you are in control. Chalo, what do we see? 9 members are done here and roughly around 8 members are done there also. Perfect. Let's continue to the next point. Guys, now we will do the day planning. Everybody, what are the steps? Please do it in parallel. Let's do it in parallel. It's already many days now. We copy everything of yesterday. We create a new page, put it by the name 30 of October and put all the entries here. Step number 1. Okay. Step number 2, whatever is in the done section, you delete that. If there is anything in progress, you cut it and move it available into to do section. That is the second thing. Simple steps. And once you're done with this, ask yourself a question. What are the major 5 things I want to finish today? And for doing that, look at these 3 areas. Yesterday's pending item, pick up something from the parked item, at least one from the parked item. And third thing is, maybe you have something new for doing today. So please make sure you're running a system. So whatever tasks you pick, it should help you to get to your goal. And right now, if your goal is getting the job, it should align with that. Okay. So it's very important what tasks you are picking. If you pick up non-valuable or non-result oriented tasks, no matter how much hard you are working, you are not going towards your goal. Okay. So you have to be very careful. Okay, what tasks are you picking here? Because we will work on that. But if the task is not taking you towards your job, that means it's not worth it. You have to come up with a better task so that you can finish and go towards your job quickly. So be very careful what you are picking here. If you don't have ideas, that's where we have to start working with AI to get a practical plan for moving in that direction. Chalo guys, everybody write down 5 tasks and look at these 3 aspects. And remember this statement. Maybe you can write it down in your notepad also. Do whatever you can do today. You can do today. Don't do tomorrow's work today, and don't let today's work go to tomorrow. Write down these 3 statements. It will remind you ki, okay, you should not overwork and impact your health. Plus, you should not underwork and then waste your time. So just do the right thing, okay, which is good for you. Balance is required in life. Chalo guys, once you're done with this 5 tasks, please give a quick thumbs up. Once you're done with 5 tasks, please give a quick thumbs up. Both guys, YouTube, Meet, everybody. 5 tasks. Think about it. Everything is in front of you. It will be easy to do planning because you see it. Yesterday's pending items, parked items, and maybe new thoughts for today. Think about it, write it down. Okay, some of the guys have completed, very good. On YouTube also, some of the members completed, very good. If you do it daily, it will become like 3 minutes where you can finish all this. It will not take 10 minutes also. Okay, many members done. Now do the final thing. So, okay, what is the final thing? Estimate, right? So first you create 5 tasks for today. Second thing is arrange in priority. How will you complete it from morning till evening? Maybe something you want to do before lunch. Arrange it in order because time is sequential. First 9 a.m. will happen, then 10 a.m. right? So arrange your task also in order. At 10 I will start this, and after 12 I will do this, and then after lunch I will do this. Full order of execution, and then estimate how much time it will take. Chalo guys, please do this, and then we are done with the day planning. Meanwhile, I am sharing you the tracking sheet for today. Chalo guys, please do this final 2 activity, estimation and time organizing. Very good. Within 15 minutes, we are able to finish up with the day planning and the review. That is a good thing. So today's date is, okay, yesterday 29th October, task completed. Okay, today is 30 October. I will share this report in Google Sheet, whatever sheet that we are seeing. So as a report, I will be sharing it with you guys. So we can centrally have a track also. Okay, maybe today during the day, I will create it and share it with you guys, the Excel sheet or Google Sheet, whatever. Chalo team, please mark this if you're done with your day planning also. So all the members on Google Meet, please do this. Good, good. Thanks for confirmation, YouTube guys. Let's take it up. Please mark this poll. I will share the report today during the day, so we can check the progress as a team also. Consistency is the key. Don't take breaks. It's very important. It's like building a muscle, one day at a time. Productivity is also like that. Overcoming laziness is also like that. There is no shortcut. It's just one day at a time, and let it happen. Okay. Very good. Already many members have submitted also. Data, sort sheet, Z to A. Okay, we have some new guys. Sakib is new today. All these rest of the members, they are already from yesterday itself. That's good. Okay, and today's is KB. Let me update the formula, KB. Okay. So, good. The streak is continuing. Let's see how it goes. Chalo guys, fine. Today we will not spend much time on this report. You just submit it and then we will move with the next topic. Okay, we want to utilize the remaining 15 minutes. So all the members who are not yet submitted, please complete it quickly. Later on, I will do the color formatting, reporting. Okay, we will do this analysis later. But good to see already like Maulik, Arun, Avinash. So once they started, Tanveer, Anushka, once they started, they are in the game. The streak is continuing. That's a good thing. Okay. A lot of other members also, Mansoor, Ramesh. We will do the sorting and everything later. Chalo, let's move to the next actions. Okay. Remaining 15 minutes, we will be doing next work. Uh, Yesterday, we asked a simple question. We need, guys, everybody please focus. You have to do actions also right now in the next 15 minutes. We need to know a guaranteed practical plan for getting the job. If you don't know this, you are not going to get towards your destination. Because if you don't know how to play the game, how will you win in that game? Okay, so there are some limitations. So that's what it is. Okay, so our first aim should be always, okay, how exactly to get the job. And for that, yesterday we started doing one activity. Step number one is we created a prompt based upon our situation. So guys, everybody do this activity right now. If you have not done yesterday, please do it right now. If you have done it yesterday, please check on this if you have not missed out on anything. First, complete this, guys. Okay. Finalize your prompt, which you are going to ask ChatGPT, okay, hey, give me this. So guys, step number one, finalize your step one prompt, which you will put to LLM. Hello everyone. So yesterday, like we said, I gave some context about our project section. I am a job seeker in India, doing a trainee program of real-time project using Spring Boot microservice. I'm targeting to get a job with good package as a Java developer. Maybe around 0 to 1 year of experience based on current market Indian situation, generally how much time it will take. So we want a prompt. So guys, everybody please complete the first thing. If you have not done it, please do it right now. Take this, update it to your situation. Okay, you might know more details, so feed more details, make it specific to you. So all the guys on Google Meet, I will share, or let me do this thing. On YouTube also, if somebody wants it, I will just put the prompt here, job seeker materials. Let me create a new Word document. Okay. Prompt draft. Okay, prompt initial draft. This is it. Let me give share access. Just save this. Anyone with the link can view. Perfect. Copy. Okay. So yesterday we were having limitation. YouTube, we were not able to paste long link. So now it should not be there. So guys, take this initial version of draft and prepare your version on top of this. Everyone, open up this link. You can find the Word document there. Prepare your version. Once you're done, please mark a poll as done. I'm putting a new poll. Let's do the actions together. Without action taking, life doesn't go. And if you cannot take actions in the initial planning phase, how will you do the actions when it is like 10 hours of working? So it's not possible. If you don't take actions, there is no success. The sooner you understand, the better it is. Do you have the first level prompt ready? Okay, custom to your situation. Once you are done, yes, done. If you're not done, no need to mark the poll. First complete it, then mark it. Same goes on YouTube as well. Let me put up a poll there. Yes, done. Do it right now, guys. Please do it right now. Nobody's coming to help you. Nobody's coming to solve your problems. Everybody's life is filled with their problems. And if you don't do something about your own life, basically the world does not care. You will suffer, your family will suffer. That's it. So the sooner you take responsibility, you will start getting better. Chalo, 5 members on Meet are done. Do you have the first level prompt ready? Which is nothing but take this kind of prompt and just customize it to your situation. If you want to add something more here, you can do that. Make it relevant to you. Some of you might have some gaps. Some might be coming from a non-IT background. Some might be having different problem situations. Include those custom details so that AI can guide you with according instructions. You know your situation. So first complete this. Once you're done, please mark a poll. Good to see 9 members are ready on Google Meet and 4 members on YouTube. We will wait for another 2 minutes for this. Okay, another 2 minutes. I'm starting a 2 minutes timer. Please do this, guys. Log in from laptops, do it like that. Don't be a listener. It's not going to help your life. You have to take action. Then only something moves on this planet. Okay. 5 members are done there. We have started a 2 minutes timer. 1 minute 42 seconds. Please complete this. Okay, great to see 14 members completed on our meet. That's awesome. Be organized. In your Google Drive, you can create a new Word document for yourself. In that Word document, you prepare this first level prompt. You can do it like that. Be organized. Okay. So that this activity will become more easy for you even in future. You can do this at any point of your life. You're having 5 years of experience. You want to switch the market. Start doing these steps at that time. Based upon that market situation, your 5 years situation. Okay, what is the realistic plan to get the job based upon current market skill set? You can run this anytime basically, right? Okay, final 55 seconds left. 8 members on YouTube are done. 14 on Google Meet. Please complete this. Take actions, guys. Nothing happens without that. Talks will just be talks. Okay. Chalo, I think time is up. Let's move to the next part. So let's think logical. What are we going to do? Our next step is we need to give this step 1 prompt to LLM to get the actual prompt from them. Now, what are the top popular LLMs of the current times? So don't rely on only one, but if you speak with 3-4 LLMs, we can have a bigger set, and on that we can decide. Then we can count key on an average information is going to be accurate, right? If you just take one, not sure how they have trained, how they have tweaked. So look at different companies. So what are the top popular LLMs? So first is ChatGPT, GPT model. So we need to go there. Next, Google Gemini model. That would be a second thing. Next, Perplexity. So we can have Perplexity. Next, let's go to Claude. We can have Claude doing it. DeepSeek is also a good one. Let's go to DeepSeek. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Are we missing anything? Okay. Let me put this question to ChatGPT itself. Let's put this question to ChatGPT itself. Okay. I am job seeker. I need to use some LLM for best planning and actions. Suggest me the best LLMs for this use case as per current market situation. Just name it and put it in order of effectiveness. And let's enable a web search for this so it can take a relevant situation and shoot. Let's see. Okay. So chat GPT we took, Gemini we took, cloud we took. These three things already we have done. Okay, cloud, Gemini, and these three is already done. Okay. On top of these three models, it is even suggesting Llama. So Meta company has given the Llama platform, and there are some variations of that. So let's try to even go for Meta AI also. Meta AI, we can get some things, and I think we can use even these kind of platforms. Or I would suggest choose three platforms. The more you do, the more scattered it is going to be. Okay, maybe just pick three. I would highly suggest the first two. Perplexity is also a good one based upon current market situation. So guys, pick three of the models. If you want to do five, you can do that, but do it later. Right now, pick three. Pick three. First two definitely you pick, because ChatGPT is market leader. They started with it. Google is doing good stuff there. And third one, you can pick whichever you like. Guys, did you pick it? Give a quick thumbs up. Now, let's say we picked up Claude, just for an example sake. Now, immediately launch these things in your browser, open up a different tab. If you don't have an account with them, create the account, basically OAuth feature, sign in with Google, do it on each of the platforms. So how do we go to ChatGPT? So ChatGPT is the very basic common one. I think everybody will have an account here. ChatGPT, please do it here. Google Gemini, they have their own website, Gemini, okay, .google.com. Here you can chat with the Gemini stuff. So you can just go there. If you don't have an account, create an account right now itself, sign in. And let's go to Claude. Claude AI. Login, continue. It logged me out. You can go for Perplexity also. They have done some good work based upon real-time internet searching. Okay. So you can go there. Maybe these guys have also done it nice. So you can just go to Perplexity as well. Just fatafat, create an account. Why to rely on only one? Because we are going to do our extensive planning. So if you are taking wrong inputs, your plans will be affected. So guys, everyone, please go to all of these platforms, quickly create an account on every of the platform. Sign in with Google on everything and you will have it. Let me paste these links in the chat as well. Do it right now. There is nothing like we will do later. Go. YouTube. Go. Let me update this in our central document so you can have reference. Some of the members are accessing from there. Fine. Let's have it. Again, I'm telling you, nobody's coming to solve your problems. You need to grow, become capable to solve your own problems. I'm also not solving your problem. My focus is that you should become capable to solve your own problem, because you live with yourself for entire 24 hours. Nobody else on the planet lives with you for 24 hours. You are there with yourself. So you need to become capable to deal with your life challenges. Get the right mentality. You will succeed quickly. Everybody, once you have created this, please mark a poll. Create account on every of the platform. Let me go to the poll section. At least 4 we have finalized. If you want more, you can do that in later time during the day. Similar activity needs to be done. If you like, let's say DeepSeek, Meta AI, whatever. Okay, did you have account ready in these LLM platforms? Yes, created all. Just sign in with Google. It doesn't take any time. Let's see how many of us are done. Yeah, it will take some time. It will not happen just like that. but do it. Log in from laptop so it is easy for you to just apply. Yes, created, or still it's in progress. Okay, very good. 10 members are already done on Google Meet for this one. That's awesome. Do this, do this. When you do your self analysis, you will believe in the plan because you know that it is the truth. When somebody else is saying, you basically will just be like, yeah, fine, whatever. Your attitude will be different. When you work for things will be different versus listening to other people will be different. So let's do some research. Let's make some finalizations. Okay, 13 members on Meet, very good. We have 6 on YouTube. Let's take another 1 minute timer and then we will move to the next one. Do it right now. Planning part is very important. We are relying on more than one LLMs so that we can make proper decisions. Just counting on one, maybe if wrong answer comes, our entire further actions will go for a toss. So let's take the popular ones. They have invested a lot of money in that. They are running the show there in the world. So let's try to count on many results. Okay, final 35 seconds. Good to see 15 members here done, 8 on YouTube done. We might need time till maybe 9:15 because these actions will take time and I want to do it with you. Just explaining is not going to help. Tomorrow again, 90% of you will come, nahi, I did not do it. And that does not change your life at all. You will still be with the same problem. I don't know how to get the job. My life is filled with problems. Crying, complaining, blaming. That attitude will not make you a winner. Okay, time is up. So at least those who want to take actions, yeah, that's where we're doing it right now. Okay, very good. We see 8 plus 15, good amount of people finished it, 23 members. Now, step number 3. Step number 3. Okay, paste the prompt which you created. Paste your stage 1 prompt. One prompt, okay, on each of the platform to get the second level prompt. That's what the first prompt is basically saying. Based on my below, give me a prompt. So we are asking for a prompt. So now next activity is on each of the 4 platforms, ask for prompt. Okay, so get the second level prompt, guys. Paste your first prompt, get the second level prompt. It's just copy pasting now. You already created your first level prompt, paste it on all the platforms, and then copy those prompts in your local, wherever you're tracking, okay, local Word document or wherever. You should be tracking all these things somewhere. Be organized. So maybe this kind of document which I prepared in these places, now you can create stage 2 prompt for each of the platforms. Maybe here itself you can write what ChatGPT suggested, what Gemini suggested. So do that part. Okay. So for example, if this is my prompt, I can just simply paste it on Gemini. I can paste it on Claude. I can paste it on Perplexity. And yesterday we already pasted it on ChatGPT. So I can just relaunch that one because every day new thing not required. Let's see what these guys are doing. Just see, Google has gone into a lot of details, a very lengthy prompt as per Google's intelligence. Claude created another prompt based upon its insights. So there will be certain variations what this guy is doing. Okay, this guy also created some prompt. So guys, you have to do one thing. These chat links will be applicable for some time. Even copy these chat links so you don't lose it. Okay, so basically just go there and whatever chat link is available, just copy these links so you are not lost. Maybe in the same document, so you can reuse this in future. It's not one-time activity. If you miss out some points, this will help you. So do these things, copy the links, And whatever I am doing, I am not going to share these results with anyone. It's just I'm demonstrating it. I will just delete all of this thing, because important thing is you should do it. Nobody else is going to do it for you. You have to realize that fact, and then you have to start working on yourself. So I'm not doing here this all thing for you. I'm doing it for only demonstration. You need to prepare this for yourself, period. Okay. So at least I just prepared this initial so that you can get started. So guys, two things you do. First thing is copy all the links, copy all links. Okay. Second thing you do is, so where are we? So next step was something like this. I'll cut this. Copy all the links. And second, copy the prompt generated by all these platforms in your Word document, in your central document. This becomes a nice now research project where before you jump into details, you're doing it. And chalo guys, once you're done, please mark this another poll. Did you copy the prompt? We will stop sharp at 9:15. Okay, whatever is the status. Did you copy the prompt generated by LLMs, by each LLM in your Word doc? If you don't have a Word doc, immediately create it. Be organized. Yes, done. Okay, or this is not yet done. Chalo, let's save it. Let's launch it. Team on YouTube also, please confirm once you're done with this. Okay. Yes, done. We will wait because these are important steps. So we are relying on the knowledge of diverse LLMs, and we need to build our plan of job hunting based upon what we see. Now that is a reverse engineering approach, right? So first analyze what the market is, and then you will know where do you stand. It's not like blind faith. Lag jayega. Why will you get it? If you're not doing the right thing, how will you get your job? Just imagining, I will get healthy, but never going for a running, not eating the right food, just thinking, hoping I will get healthy. How will you get healthy? It needs actions to get healthy, and that consistent actions. So bet ke I will get job, companies will call me, I will get this, I will get that. No, that's not going to happen. Wishing, hoping is not going to give you success in life. Actions are going to tell you. Chalo, 8 members have copied it. Just copy the prompts. Don't paste the prompts right now. Go step by step. That's what I'm doing it along with you. Okay. 8 members. Earlier, 15 people marked the previous completed state. Okay. At least, yeah, some of the other members do it. It was simple, right? We just open it in different tabs. I just pasted it in front of you and we have it. You just have to copy this. Copy this, put it. Copy this, put it. Copy this, put it. Okay. Everybody, I think, gives, yeah, we can copy this. You can just copy all of this. Once you're done, please mark this poll. 10 members are done here, 8 members there. Good. YouTube guys are full. I think 8-10 people are taking actions. They are done as well. Let's wait for 1 more minute and then we will do next thing. Everyone, please complete this. Okay, 12 members done here. Dekhte, point is, first we need to know the guaranteed way of getting results. Whatever that could be. It could be, okay, could do something miraculous. So we will understand, okay, we have to do a miracle here. But let's know what needs to be done. Don't approach it, I am like this only, industry should hire me. No, understand what the industry needs. And then you have to grow there. Because if you're not growing there, industry will never consume you. Now that is reverse engineering. That is smart thinking. You will work really hard. But on what things you will work hard? The things which will give you success. So let's find out what is the right thing to do. Okay, final 5 seconds. 4, 3, 2, 1, go. Okay. So now our next step is, maybe step number 4. Yeah, step number 4 is paste this prompt, whatever prompt they give, in their own editors. Just paste it. Paste in their own LLM window to get the actual answer. To get the actual answer. So, for example, like what did we do yesterday? First, look if there is any confusion. Basically, there should not be a confusion. But what did we do? First, we asked ChatGPT to give us a plan. It gave us a prompt. We copied this prompt in ChatGPT itself, and then it gave the actual answer. Do that now with Google as well. Whatever prompt these guys have given, okay. Oh, I think in the question we have said ki based on the input, feed me a ChatGPT prompt. I think prompt me you should have made that customization for your platform. Maybe you can do that version later. But anyways, okay. So, but anyways, we will take this. Why this prompt works, we don't need that till this point. So carefully read the beginning and the ending, and just copy that and paste it in the same LLM and just give it a go. Let it work. Similarly, go to ChatGPT. Okay, copy that and then paste it back. Put it into Claude. Paste it back. Let it go. Go to Perplexity. Copy this. This is our relevant advice for 2025 based upon whatever is happening on social media, internet. These guys are doing analysis and then giving us the results. Okay. That's it. Let it all work. Let the LLMs work. That is where we save these links. So if you're not able to, let's say you copy it, formatting is broken, no problem. These links are there with you. You can still get a lot of value from that. Okay. Claude is still continuing. Google, is this guy done? Google is done with its plan. Okay. ChatGPT yesterday itself we did. Maybe right now you're pasting it. Do this, guys. Do this. Claude is also still working on it. So ye banda to busy ho gaya hai. That is good stuff. And is this guy done? Okay. Perplexity have really summarized it in a short manner itself based upon its input. And rest of the guys have, this guy has gone really very deep. Still it's writing, Bapre. Still it's writing. What packages to target? Service-based companies might give you this much. Good package, you can target mid-sized companies or some small-scale organizations, which might give you around this much. And if you are targeting for excellent, so you need to find some product-based company, even at a beginner level, who are paying like that. So market has different packages for different situations. So we need to reverse engineer, okay, what each of this means, how we need to get, and then what kind of colleges might affect. So this is very detailed. Okay. Okay. A lot of things. And now it is not asking, okay, it's allowing us to do more posting. Very good. I think this Claude has done very detailed work. Even yesterday, ChatGPT did quite some actions and all. Google did. Okay. Yeah, Google also has shared some nice views with details. Next. Now, we will be done with today. But what you are supposed to do is, next item, copy all of these results and just put it into a document somewhere. Okay. Copy all the results, put it into a document. And what you need to do is take all of those inputs and give it into one LLM, let's say ChatGPT, and ask, give me the final summary combining all as the unique items. That will be our next steps. So don't worry, even if you don't do it today, tomorrow we will be doing that activity. But you're at least do this thing. Whatever results you got right now, copy all of that and put it into one document. Okay, ChatGPT said this, Google said this, Claude said this, Perplexity said this. At least maintain everything in one document. But our next aim will be, we need to take all of that and feed it into one LLM. Maybe piece by piece you go, first merge the two, ask for a summary, then merge the two, because context window limit will be there for every tool. So yeah, that will be our next actions. So guys, next what you are supposed to do, step number 5, copy the results from each of the LLM into your Word document. Do that. Yesterday I was trying around with ChatGPT. I asked ki bhai download it as a document PDF and give it to me. Okay, but in PDF preparing, it did not copy everything. I think try to work with that in that manner. Ki do this formatting and everything whatever is mentioned here, generate a PDF for me and give it. So maybe that might also help. It is saying, do you want a Word document? So ask for a Word document otherwise. Okay. So rather than copy pasting, you can ask the LLMs to do this kind of work and let's see what you get out of it. So, but yes, please complete that activity. So you should have it, and during the day, just read through it roughly. If tomorrow we will combine the data anyways, but I think today during the day, read something at a high level, what each of these LLMs are saying, so that you get some realistic picture. Tomorrow we will further process on that. Okay. Chalo, thank you everybody for your time. We will be connecting tomorrow morning 8:30 back again. Okay. Chalo guys, all the best. Take care of yourself. Thoda kaam karo. Okay. Please work on yourself. Results will come easily if you know what needs to be done. Okay. See you tomorrow 8:30. Please read these things what they are saying and try to have it into some separate documents. Do that work at least. Okay. Chalo guys, thank you all. Take care of yourself. Stopping the YouTube stream. See you tomorrow 8:30 guys. Bye.